Now, I will point out, since there's been lots of discussion about this, do you see those white spots? I told you, next time this happens, I'm going to make a video just about that. So after I get done talking to you guys, I'm going to stop and make a short video about how to address this and then come back and finish the video for you guys. But do you see them? There's several spots around. I want you to watch closely. Let me see if I can even zoom in more. Let's see. Let's take this one. Do you see that right there? And I'm just going to take this metal burnishing tool and watch. It's like magic. It's gone. All right, let's take another one. About this spot here. Or do you want me to do a bigger? I didn't get that very good. How about this area? Let me set it down so I can hold it right. Just burnish. That's what burnishing with silversmithing is. When they're burnishing the bezel wire, like over the stone, it's not only just turning the wire over, it's smoothing out the metal. Now you can see the spots I treated are not white and scalded anymore. The other thing you can do is your radial wheel. That would totally take it off. These radial wheels are way different than a sandpaper, because I had somebody, you know, when I said, well, sand it, they said, oh, the sandpaper. I'm like, yeah, well, don't use sandpaper. It's right? So all the spots are gone. And it's easy as that.